Where to stay in Camiguin, 650 pesos per night lang. Tara! Yung mga kanos, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kung kayo ay mapapadpad sa Camiguin, you can check out Playa del Fuego na located sa Mambahao, downtown. If you're planning to visit the White Island, Mantigue Island, Sunken Cemetery at Falls sa Camiguin, maganda na dito na kayo magstay. Beachfront resort sila, kaya anytime pwede ka mag-swimming. At alam mo ba na pwede ka magstay dito for as low as 650 pesos? Yes, that's for their dormitories. Kung gusto mo ng privacy, no problem dahil meron naman silang standard rooms. And if gusto mo talaga i-enjoy ang stay mo, you should definitely book their beachfront bungalow na paglabas mo beach na agad. They have bungalow with hammocks din. For their amenities, they have their own restaurant na pwede ka umorder, especially pag breakfast na pwede mo kainin by the beach. They have a bar area na pwede din kayo umorder ng craft beers. Pwede ka din tumambay dito at maglaro na kanilang mga board games and card games. O kaya naman mag-work from home dahil may wifi din sila dito na provided. They have common CR near the restaurant at may malawak sila na garden area na pwede kayo maglakad-lakad or gamitin ang mga hammocks and chairs na malapit sa beach. Tahimik actually yung lugar nila kaya pansin ko din na maraming nakabook na foreigners dito during our stay. Ilalagay ko na lang ang rates nila sa baba for you to check it out. You can also check my travel guide itinerary sa comment box. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Kung mapupunta kayo ng Camiguin, you can stay here in Playa del Fuego. Let's go!